Hey, what up, what up, what up? I was actually about to wiper fluid, washer fluid motor, because I noticed the wiper, the windshield wiper fluid wasn't coming out. So, got on eBay for like $9, $10, and saw a video how to replace it. But mine are better, so I'm gonna show you how to do it my way. I see dude took off the whole bumper, but you ain't gotta do that. I had like a little screw right there. I took that out, turned the wheel all the way as far to the right, and then bam, pull this back. You might got like a little nail right here, a little clip right there, maybe one right here. Take those out, bam, come right here, pull this off right here. So the problem with mine was this right here came off. So all you gotta do is push this in, pull off that, push this in, pull off the electrical connector, and just pull it out. You know what I'm saying? Just pull it real gently or whatever. You get a little pry bar tool or something like that, come between it right here, and just pull it out. And then, you know what I'm saying? Put your little, put this back on right here to your new one, put the clip in, boom, you're done. You know what I'm saying? All that holds it in is this little grommet, you know what I'm saying? You can put a little lubrication, you know what I'm saying? So I put lubrication on this right here before I put it in to help slide these, fish tank tubes onto it a little bit easier because, they're kind of tight. So I put a little bit of that right here and then a little bit onto this little one, put that back in, boom, and you done. Now when you take that out, if you got any fluid in there, it's gonna come out, so just be cognizant of that. And you ain't gotta take the bumper off though. Coming right here through the fender housing, through the fender liner. All right, this is a 99 Honda Accord, by the way. 99 Honda Accord. But it's like through 97. This works on basically any model Honda. Just push the stuff back in. All right, thanks for watching the video. Peace.